Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the language of your Microsoft Word app. So let me open my Microsoft Word app here and let me open any page, let's say any sample page, and I'm going to just click on create. And right now you can see my Microsoft Word language by default here is English. And let's say I want to change this language to some other language. So what you can do, just click on the file option here. So just click on this file option, and then at the bottom you will be able to see this options section. So just click on options, and once you click on options you will be able to see this language section here. So just click on language, and here you will see two sections. One is for Office display language, other is for Office authoring language and proofing, right? So here in the Office display language you can add any number of language. So let's say I want to add an extra language here. What I can do here is I can just click on install additional display language for office.com, and from here I can choose any language. So let's say I want to choose one language. Let's say I want to choose this language, Hindi. So just choose the language which you want to install and then click on install, which is going to open this Microsoft.com website on your default browser. Okay, and here you will be able to see the language which you have selected. So you can just click on this download button in order to download the language pack of that language. You can see office setup.exe, and it's downloading the language pack. And once this exe file is downloaded, I'm going to just click on this exe file, and then here you just need to click on yes, and you can see this language is being integrated into my Office app. Let me minimize all my browsers, and here if you see this kind of window and if you don't understand the language, just click on the left hand side option, which basically means continue. Okay, so I'm going to just press on continue, and this is going to just close my Microsoft Word app, and then it's going to just install the language. And if you don't see anything here, you will be able to see this option here, which basically means that it's going to install the additional language. So just keep an eye on this pop-up window which says 0% for now, but it's going to be downloaded and installed soon. You can see the progress here. Now I can see the progress bar here also. Okay, so don't panic if you don't see any window. It will appear in some time. And once you see this kind of window, this basically says that now the language which you wanted to install is successfully installed. So you can just close this window. So just click on this close button, and once that's done, you can once again open your Word app on your operating system, and then you can once again go to the options. So just click on options and then click on language, and you will be able to see that this extra language is added to your Office display language. Now in order to view all the ribbons and everything in this language which you have installed, you just need to select this language and then move it up. Okay, or you can set it preferred. Okay, so you can just click on set it preferred, which means it's the preferred language, or you can move it up or down. So when it goes to the top, it's your preferred language. So once you do that, click on OK, and then you will see this kind of pop-up window which says please restart Office so that your language change can take effect. Click on OK, and then you just need to close your Word app and then restart it again. So I'm going to just restart my Word app. I can already see the language changes. So when I just open any document here, let me open some document, you can see at the top this language is now my preferred language, and I can use this language on my Microsoft Word app. Okay, so this is how you can change the language in your Microsoft Word app or any Office app. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.